Ladies and gentle animals, boys and girls, welcome to the most exciting event of the forest, the Zoom Zoom Racing Adventure. Today, 4 fantastic teams are revving up for glory. Let's meet them. First up, Team Bunny. With Benny behind the wheel, those hopping heroes are bouncing with energy and ready to leap ahead. And here comes the coolest crew on the course, Team Panda. Poppy's bamboo-powered ride is chill, smooth, and full of surprises. Making a splash on the track, it's Team Duck. Daisy's Duck Mobile glides like a dream. Will their speed be a splash hit today? Last but not least, it's the zippy nutcases of the forest, Team Squirrel. Squeaky's acorn car is turbocharged and twisting through the turns. The crowd is cheering, the engines are buzzing, and the countdown begins. And they're off! Look at Bunny zoom past the bend with a big hop. But Panda is rolling steady, catching up with smooth moves. Duck takes the shortcut by the splashy pond. What a slick move. Oh, Squirrel's making crazy zigzags through the trees. That's some serious nut-powered speed. It's neck and neck as they reach the final stretch. Who will win? Will it be bounce, chill, splash, or spin? It's a photo finish. And guess what? They're all winners today because they raced with teamwork, fun, and joy. Thanks for joining the Zoom Zoom Racing Adventure. See you at the next race, and remember, keep zooming, keep singing, and keep smiling.